progression, exercise 2, 12th question. The two arithmetic progression have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term? Here we are taking two arithmetic progressions and their common difference is same. The two arithmetic progression, let we take A1, A2, A3 and so on. Another arithmetic progression B1, B2, B3, so on. Here they are saying their common difference is same. That means that the common difference of both arithmetic progression is same. After that, what they say? The difference between their 100th term is 100. That means these two difference between their 100th term is 100. That means in this arithmetic progression A100 minus, they are saying difference, that's why minus, in this arithmetic 100th term B100, A100 minus B100 is equal to 100. Now A100 is equal to A plus 100 minus 1 into D, that is equal to A plus 100 minus 1 is 99 D. Now B100 is equal to B plus 100 minus 1 into D. B100 is equal to B plus 99 D. Here they are saying the difference between their 100th term is 100. That means A100 minus B100 is equal to 100. A100 is A plus 99D minus B100 is B plus 99D is equal to 100. Here A plus 99D, here plus into minus minus B, minus into plus minus 99D is equal to 100. 90 plus 99D and minus 99D is cancel. Now what remain here? A minus B is equal to 100. Now put this as equation 1. Now what they are asking, what is the difference between their 1000th term? That means A 1000 minus B 1000 we should find out now. Now write down A 1000 is equal to A plus 1000 minus 1 into D. A 1000 is equal to A plus 999 D. 1000 minus 1 is 999 D. Similarly, B 1000 is equal to B plus 1000 minus 1 into D. B 1000 is equal to B plus 1000 minus 1 is 999 D. Now A 1000 minus B 1000 is equal to, here A 1000 is A plus 999 D minus B 1000 is B plus 999 D. Now A 1000 minus B 1000 is equal to A plus 999 D, here minus, plus into minus minus B, here plus into minus minus 999 D. Here this plus 999 and minus 999 is cancel. Here remaining is what? A minus B. A 1000 minus B 1000 is equal to A minus B. From equation 1, A minus B is equal to 100. Put this 100 here. A 1000 minus B 1000 is equal to A minus B is 100. Here since A minus B is equal to 100 from equation 1. Now question number 13. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Here the first 3-digit number which is divisible by 7 is, say, A is equal to 105. See here, the divisible by 7, the 3 digits divisible by 7 are 105, 112, 119, so on, 994. Here A is 105 and D is 7. D is 7 and the last 3-digit number which is divisible by 7 is AN is equal to 994. Now we should find out N value. Here AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN value is 994. minus a value 105 plus n minus 1 into d value is 7. 994 here plus 105 comes to left hand side, it becomes minus 105 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. 994 minus 105 is 889 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. Now n minus 1 is equal to 889 by 7. 7 ones are 7. 127. Now n is equal to 127. Here minus 1 comes to right hand side, it will be plus 1. Now n is equal to 127 plus 1 is 128. Therefore 128 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. Now next problem, 14th one. How many multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250? Now write down multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250. Here 12, 10 and 250, in between we should write down the 4 multiples. That means 4 multiple means 4 table. Now 12, 16, 20, 24 so on to 48, because here up to 250. That's why last is 248. Here A is 12 and D is 4. AN is 248. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here AN value is 248 is equal to A value is 12 plus N minus 1 into D value is 4. 248 is equal to 12 plus 4 into n, 4n, plus into here plus into minus minus 4. Now 248 is equal to 12 minus 4 is 8 plus 4n. Now 4n is equal to this plus 8 goes to left hand side, it will be minus 8. 248 minus 8 is 240. 4n is equal to 240. N is equal to 240 divisible by 4. 4 ones are 4 60s are. Therefore n is equal to 60. Hence there are 60 multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250.